Good morning or good day, everyone. I am here with another hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. This is an open collaboration hosted by Crafty Girl Chronicles here on YouTube. And the whole idea basically is to plan things out so you don't get stressed about them. And maybe you don't get everything done, which I never get everything done that I plan. Almost never. Sometimes I come pretty close though. But even if I don't, um, most of my plans are all hobby related. Or I do have a small business for the jewelry, which that's stressing me out a little bit right now. Anyway, the whole idea is, you plan it, plans change, carry it forward to the next week or take it off your schedule or whatever. Just have fun with it in a colorful maybe way. And for me, and I think Crafty Girl Chronicles, we're using things up like washi. And in my case also some stickers, and I'm finding things in my stash I didn't even remember having. Yeah. Anyway, so this month, like for example this, this was from Target when we used to call it the dollar spot. Now I think they call it the bullseye area. They never have crafty stuff in it. Well, I don't go in that often. But this was paper tape. I also had some with the tulips on that matched this paper in the background. I didn't use that this time. But this is actually sort of more of a plasticky tape. But I used it as a border up at the top of my planner and also down here. So I thought that was really pretty and spring-like, because my theme this week, I kind of try and do themes, or sorry for the crinkling. And this Tuesday is the first day of spring on our calendar here, and it is coming up spring. My daffodils are all in full bloom. My tulips are pushing up. They're probably 6 inches or more, maybe 8 inches above the ground now. They're not blooming by any chance stretch yet. And I have some hyacinths coming up. They're not blooming quite yet either. Maybe by next week, although we'll see. So I kept it pretty simple. I also found this washi tape that looks colorful, and all it says is hello. So I put hello, hello, hello because it's hello spring there across the top. And then in the mornings when I first get up, like today, well, maybe not when I first get up, but within an hour of me getting up, I'm hearing the birds chirping everywhere. They are chirping away. So I had these two washi tapes that have birds on them, but also I think they're both, well, this one maybe doesn't look cherry blossomy, but this one does. And somewhere I was yesterday or the day before, oh, I had to go Friday. I had to go pay a bill in the morning, and then I had to babysit. And on the way home from one of those places, there were beautiful, I know where it was. I went to a store after I paid a bill on Friday at a local bank, and at that store in the parking lot, they had all these beautiful trees. Now, I don't know if they were cherry blossom trees. I think so. They could have been all pink dogwoods, but I don't think so because my dogwood's budding but not blooming yet. So I tried to get a picture at a red light, but then the light changed and I couldn't. So I have to go back there before they're over because they don't last very long. I love the way cherry blossoms look. Anyway, and the birds, there's birds in here. And this is all little pink birds with green leaves in the background and twigs. And then this was a lonely little sticker, and actually it was stuck onto the top of the plastic wrap, not the actual inside card thing. So I had to peel it off carefully because it did tear a little. It's like 2 layers. And then I glued it all together again and put it in here because I don't know where I'm going to use it, and I wanted to get rid of that one sticker in my packaging. Then happy plans here, smile, and it's spring. these I put in last week, but these are all, and live fully in the season you're in. They're all, and I think these two, this one, and where's the other one? This one. I meant to put something here. I'll have to keep looking. Anyway, those were all from Happy Planner books, but I don't remember which ones. This one probably came out of a holiday one. The rest of them, I don't think did. I don't know. Faith was also out of one of them. And then this is a palm, because it's Palm Sunday, and that's out of a stamp set called, it's retired, it's called His Love, right there. And I did use that again next week. And then I have a little cross here. That actually was in a package of crosses and butterflies that I had forgotten I had. And I think they came from Tina's Crafty Life years ago when either I won something or she just sent friend mail. I can't remember. But I used 3 of those butterflies. I meant to put this in the opposite direction. Oh well. And one of the crosses. And then I think I used one next week too. Yes. Okay. So that's all I did. I did not do the weather in here. Basically, it's going to be clear, cloudy and sunny, but the temperature is going to be colder than it has been. We've been up in the high 60s and or low 70s Fahrenheit, which is unheard of for March normally. And this week we're going to be back closer to normal where the nights, some of them are going to go below freezing or right at freezing for some. But the days are going to be up in the 40s and 50s Fahrenheit. So a little chillier than it has been, but 50s are okay with me. 40s a little bit on the cool side. But the mornings are going to be brisk and cold. So, but I'm going to try and walk more days than I have been lately. Um, so let's see what we have to do. We have the planner on Monday, which should be what you're watching now. I have a pile of goodies to go to Goodwill, which is a charity shop. So I want to drop off some things there and get them out of my dining room where they're sitting. And then close by there, I have to go pick up one prescription. My jewelry making fun collaboration on my Dahlia Designs channel will be up, DD for Dahlia Designs. And I like to, since I'm the host, I like to go watch what all the other participants made and show them some crafty love. So be sure to watch that if you wouldn't mind on my Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More channel if you like jewelry and beads and things like that. We always have a color theme, and then we have 2 optional challenges, and it's a surprise. I try to tell people don't disclose what the next month is, so that way maybe people will come back and see what we're doing. It's different every month. And then also that day, I want to work on the paper pumpkin alternatives. I did the unboxing and make as intended, and I'll probably get that video up in the next couple days. And then Tuesday, oh yeah, I have video, paper pumpkin alternatives. I had thought I'd do it later in the week, but I have other stuff then. I joined in another open collab called hashtag Altered Index 2024. It's hosted by Nonstop Paper Crafts, and she draws prompts every Tuesday. So I have to wait until Tuesday and see what she comes up with. And I'm trying to do that because I have a lot of index cards in my stash, both the 3x5 and the 4x6. I'm trying to do 4x6 first, but if I run out of them, I'm not going to go out and buy new ones. I'm going to use the smaller ones then, or maybe I'll alternate, but I'm going to be keeping them all in a 4x6 photo sleeve book that I had gotten somewhere, yard sale or something. I don't know. I have to make wedding cards for Build Your Stash, which airs on April 3rd. I want to get a head start on that. Since I'm doing paper crafts, this will be a paper craft day. And then I wrote down, organize my cards and get rid of and or donate a lot. A lot. I mean a lot. Because I don't need as many cards as I have, which is why you haven't been seeing me make a lot of cards lately. I'm making some, but not a ton of them. Wednesday, I want to make jewelry, and I'm not going to put what I'm going to make it with, and then I will be doing videos, and then Thursday I want to make jewelry also. Now Thursday, I have hashtag Deck the Year, which is altered playing cards, 3.5 by 2.5 inches. They're playing cards. We alter them. This is week 12, and my theme will be spring, so come see. I already made mine and scheduled the video, so actually I can check that off. That is done. I'm using, by the way, just this blue uh, Frixion erasable pen. I hope these don't fade too much over time. I'm testing it in my planner, right? And I'm just going to make jewelry. So 2 days of making jewelry because I just did my taxes and I need to pay attention to my Dahlia Designs thing a lot more. Uh, um, so Friday, I have a drawing to do. It's for a hidden giveaway that's already been part of a video. So if you didn't see it, oopsie, be sure to watch my videos to the end. But yeah, it's already been aired and I promised I'd do the drawing on Friday the 22nd. And on Friday, photo, price, and list jewelry in my Etsy shop and then do a video on Dahlia Designs channel. But I might announce that it's up here too and on Facebook of the available items. Saturday, I have to make projects for hashtag Crash Your Stash for it's first Friday of each month, which happens to be April 5th. And the prompts for that one. This is hosted by Not Too Shabby Chic and Lilo Crafts. Lilo. The prompts for this time are apron and tattered with a bonus of tuck. So that's going to be a fun one. So be sure to come back April 5th. And then this is Palm Sunday. I didn't write anything in other than happy plans. I'm going to try and get back into doing my planner on Sundays again. Anyway, I did not write the top 3, although I do have at least one in mind. And I'm grateful for coffee in the mornings. Yes, this is my second cup. I'm almost done. Bird song. I love hearing that in the mornings. And my cat, who is up here sleeping on the other chair. Notes. I need to do more, and be consistent with Dahlia Designs. Yes, that is definitely a note that I need. And the inspiration or whatever down here, the little saying is, instruction does much, but encouragement, everything. And that is Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. Johann, I think it's pronounced Johann. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. Goeth. 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 So that's it. That's my planner for the week of Monday, March 18th, 2024 through Sunday, March 24th, 2024. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead and happy spring. Hugs, love, and peace.